Traders, this is very important video, very knowledgeable video related to gold versus US dollar. So please watch this video until end.
Yes, there have definitely been instances where both the dollar's price, value, and gold's price have increased simultaneously. The usual relationship. Typically, there's an inverse relationship between the dollar and gold. This means when the dollar strengthens, gold tends to become cheaper, and when the dollar weakens, gold tends to become more expensive. This is largely because gold is priced and traded globally in US dollars. A stronger dollar makes gold more expensive for buyers using other currencies, which can lower demand and thus its price. When both rise together, however, specific circumstances can lead to both the dollar and gold appreciating at the same time. Global crises and uncertainty. During periods of significant global financial crises, geopolitical tensions, or severe economic uncertainty, investors often flock to both the dollar and gold as safe haven assets. They pull money out of riskier assets like stock markets and seek refuge in what they perceive as more secure investments. The 2008 financial crisis is a good example of this phenomenon. Inflation concerns. When there are strong fears of rising inflation and a potential decrease in the purchasing power of currencies, people tend to turn to gold to preserve their wealth. At such times, the dollar might also maintain its value or even strengthen due to its status as a reserve currency, leading to both increasing in price. Central bank policies. The monetary policies of central banks can also influence this relationship. If central banks increase their gold purchases, demand for gold goes up. Simultaneously, if policies are implemented to strengthen the dollar for other reasons, both could see an upward trend. In summary, while there's historically been an inverse relationship between the dollar and gold, unusual global conditions and shifting investor preferences can certainly lead to periods where both assets appreciate concurrently.
Thanks for watching.